Hi, I'm Dennis with the Bellevue Hospital Foundation. This is Val with our finance department. We're here on January 14th to do our third and final early bird drawing today. $500 to someone out of this barrel. I'm going to have Val shake it up just a little bit, reach in there, open it up, grab a ticket. As of today, we have 10 tickets remaining to be sold in our 2020 Is Your Heart Set on Event raffle. Our grand prize drawing will be 1 month from today on Valentine's Day, February 14th at 10 a.m. at Steinley Chevrolet Buick in Clyde, Ohio. The public is welcome to attend 10 a.m. February 14th. It's a Friday at Steinley GM in Clyde, Ohio. Val's going to reach in there and get our last early bird drawing $500 winner for somebody today. Good luck to everyone. Thanks for your participation. It's going to be Joseph Weisenbach. And Joe lives in Greensburg, Indiana. I'll be giving Joe a call here momentarily. Thanks to Val. Thanks to everyone who participated by purchasing a ticket so far. We appreciate your support for the Bellevue Hospital Foundation.